Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by inspecting the care label to confirm cold wash or hand wash instructions. This protects the compression fibers. Once done, turn the shirt inside out and fasten zippers or Velcro so seams and fabric don't snag. Apply a small amount of mild detergent, about 1/2 teaspoon, to any visible stains and gently rub with your fingertips. This focused pre-treat loosens sweat and oils without damaging elasticity, so you can move on to washing with confidence. You choose the gentlest option available. Hand wash in a basin or use the machine's delicate cycle, always with cold water, around 0 to 30 degrees C, to prevent fiber breakdown. Make sure the detergent is mild. Avoid bleach, fabric softeners, and enzyme cleaners because they weaken compression. Place the shirt in a mesh laundry bag if machine washing, and wash with similar lightweight items to reduce abrasion. Once the cycle ends, don't wring aggressively. Gently press out water to maintain shape and tension. You finish by drying the shirt carefully. Lay it flat or hang it in shade, out of direct sun and away from heaters, because heat degrades elastic fibers. While damp, gently reshape seams and contours so the garment retains its compression fit. Avoid tumble drying or ironing at all costs. If you notice reduced elasticity, soak the shirt for 30 minutes in cool water with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to remove residue. Then rinse and air dry. This often restores feel without damaging fabric.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.